Today we're making banana bread cinnamon rolls. Extremely soft and gooey, delicious, and can be made vegan without any special substitutions or ingredients. Banana is crucial here not only for flavor, but it replaces eggs, adds moisture, and gives this dough a bakery-style crumb without making it dense. Warm the plant milk to body temperature warm but not hot. Add yeast and a little sugar, then wait until foamy. If your yeast doesn't foam, then stop. Your dough will not rise later, no matter how long you wait. Add sugar, melted vegan butter, banana puree, vanilla, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Then bring everything together with flour. Start with less flour than you think. Banana releases moisture during kneading. Knead until smooth and elastic. The dough should stretch without tearing. If it feels sticky but smooth, that's correct. Adding too much flour here gives dry rolls. Now the filling. This filling is intentionally stronger in flavor. Banana soft and spice, so we use more cinnamon than usual. Roll the dough thin and even. Spread the filling all the way to the edges. One of the more common mistakes is uneven thickness, which could be why rolls bake inconsistently. Roll tightly, then cut. Best would be to cut with unflavored dental floss, as it does not compress the dough. Unfortunately, I did not have any floss in the house. Let them proof again until soft and expanded. They should look airy, not tight. If they spring back immediately when pressed, they need more time. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius. Pull them while they're still pale and soft in the center. Overbaking dries vegan dough faster than egg-based dough. This icing mirrors the dough. Banana forward, but not overly sweet. Glaze while warm for melted finish or wait until cold for clean swirls. If you want bakery-level vegan pastries without complicated ingredients, this is where you start. Recipe is in the description as always.